Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you will be fine. Students, take out your countdown book 3. Students, today we will complete question number 5. Divide and write the remainder. And the short form of remainder is REM. So divide and write the remainder. Question number 5 of book page number 94. But before starting question, first of all, just look at this example. Look at Adil's new sum. 26 divided by 6. Adil uses pebbles and sorts them in groups of 6. You can see here there are 26 pebbles total, and Adil have to divide them equally among groups. But you can see that in each group there are only 6 pebbles, and 2 pebbles are left, or you can say remain. Okay, students, it means that total pebbles were 26, so this is our dividend, and we have to divide them equally among 6. So this is our divisor. And what is quotient? Because you can see there are 4 groups, each have 6 pebbles, so 6 fours are 24, and 6 fours are, so 4 is our quotient, which you can see here, 6 fours are 24. Here Adil knows from his tables that 6 fours are 24, so he writes the quotient 4, and secondly he writes the product, and now he subtracts. So Adil has 2 left over. When we subtract it, 6 minus 4 is equals 2, so 2 is left over, and Adil calls this the remainder, so this is the remainder. So we will write quotient 4 and remainder is 2. Okay, question number 5. Divide and write the remainder. REM, short form of remainder. 28 divided by 5. So students, you can do it in working column. You can write the table to understand which number will come over here. So 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. And 5 times 6 is 30. So students, you can see from these numbers which we will pick, 30 and 28. 28 is smaller and 30 is bigger number, so we will not choose this number. 25, now 25 is smaller number, so we will write 25. 5 5s are 25, so this number will come here. 5 5s are 25. So now we will subtract it. 8 minus 5, how many? Yes, 3. So our answer is, so students, we will write the answer like this: 28 divided by 5 is equal, first of all we will write here this number 5 quotient, and then remainder, which is our remainder 3. In the same way, students, we will do part B. 19 divided 4. So we will write, if you learn the table of 4 and you can do it without writing this working column, so you can write 4 times 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. But if you write like this, you can easily found which answer you have to write over here. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So students, you can see 20 and 19. We cannot write bigger number, okay, below the dividend. So this number will not come. So now we will choose this number. 4 4s are 16. This is our divisor and this is our quotient. 4 4s are 16. We will write 4 over here. 4 4s are 16. And now we will subtract it. 9 minus 6, 3. So this is our remainder. So our answer is 4, remainder 3. 4. This number will come here. 4. Quotient will come here. 4, remainder 3. So the answer of 19 divided 4 is 4, remainder 3. Okay, now part C. 22 divided by 3. So students, again we will write the table, or you can read the table of 3. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, and 3 8s are 24. In this way you can easily pick the product. So now you can see 24 and 22. 22 and 24 is greater number. So we will not pick this one. So we will pick the above number. 3 7s are 21. So 3 7s are 21. And then we will subtract it. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So this 0 has no value. So you cannot write. So it's up to you. First of all, you can write 0 over here and then cut it. Okay. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 is remainder and this is quotient number. As you know that this is 22 is dividend, 3 is divisor, and this number is quotient, and the last number is remainder. So our answer is 7. We will write like this: 22 divided 3 is equals 7, remainder 1. Okay students, next part D. 27 divided by 4. So students, read the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, and 4 6 are 24. So 4, it's very close, so you can write here 4 6 are 24 and 4 7s are 28. So students, which number you will pick? 28, you can you write 28 over here? No, you have to write the smaller one from the dividend. So we will pick this one. So 4 6 are 24. And now we will subtract it. 7 minus 4 is equals 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. But this 0 has no value. So our answer is 6, remainder 3. So you can write 27 divided 4. Answer is 6. First of all, we will write quotient over here, 6. and remainder is 3. This is our answer. Okay student, next part E, 30 divided by 6. So students, here read the table of 6. Can you find the answer 30? Yes, in the table of 6 you can find the answer 30. 6 5s are 30. So here when you will subtract, you will get no remainder. So here is no remainder. So our answer is, so students, here in remainder there is 0. So we will write 5 remainder 0. Because there is no remainder, so we will write 0. The next question is 37 divided 7. So read the table of 7. 7 5s are 35 and 7 6 are 42. You can also write the full table. So 42 is greater number, so we will not pick this number. We will pick 35. So 7 5s are 35. Now we will subtract it. 7 minus 5 is 2. So our answer is 5 remainder 2. Students, remaining parts you will complete on your book so that you can understand it well. So do practice of all these questions and then write the answers on your book, page number 94. Take care. Allah Hafiz.